Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. I'm using Office 2021. Today we will be covering two things, which are formatting the cell and how to put the borders around the cell. So let's begin with formatting the cell. You have noticed this row's height is changed, which is called row number 3, and you have also noticed that this column's width is changed, which is called column number H. In order to correct the row height, we have to click on any row whose default height is not changed. So clicking on row number 5, click format, click row height, see it is 15, okay. Click on any cell of row number 3, select format, select row height and write 15. See, the height is now adjusted. Now going to adjust the column width of column H. Again we have to see the default column width that Microsoft Excel provides. So clicking on this cell, which is column B, click format, click column width and see it is 8.43, which is the default column width that Microsoft Excel provides. Press OK. Click on any cell of column H, click format, click column width and write 8.43. The row height and column width are now adjusted. There is one auto fit option also. Click on this table, select format, click on auto fit row height. So this row height is already the default height. Again select the whole table, select format and select auto fit column width. In this way your text still remains visible to you. We are done with formatting the cell. Now let's move towards the second task. You can give any border to any cell by going to this option. I want all borders around the cells. So selecting the table and selecting all borders. If you want to highlight the headings, select the heading and select thick outside border. You can also remove the borders. So selecting this heading and selecting no border. Again selecting this area and selecting all borders. Let's put a double bottom border under this heading. Select bottom double border from here. You have observed there are so many options of putting the borders around the cells and you can select any of your choice. This concludes this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we will be covering how to select different cell styles and how to merge and wrap the cells. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.